Hi, Maria. Are you free on Saturday?
Hi, Liam. Yes, I am. What's up?
I want to go hiking. Do you want to come with me?
Yes, that's a great idea. Where do we go?
There's an easy 2-hour trail by the lake.
Oh, I don't know that path. Is it difficult?
No, it's pretty easy. Some parts go up, but the view is beautiful.
Okay, I want to go. What time do we meet?
Let's meet at the trailhead at 8 a.m.
Okay, what do I need to bring?
Just good shoes, some water, and a snack.
Got it. I can also bring lunch for us.
Great! I'm excited.
Me too. See you Saturday.
See you then.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Yes.
Where is the Colosseum?
It is near here. Go straight.
Go straight?
Yes, then turn right at the big fountain.
The big fountain. Okay.
Then you will see the Colosseum.
Thank you. Is it a long walk?
No, about 10 minutes.
Great.
There is a good ice cream shop there, too.
Ice cream. Good idea. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy Rome.
Yes, I like the food. I ate pizza 2 times today.
Ha ha ha. That is good.
Honey, look at this bed. It's on sale and it's so soft.
It's nice, but it looks very heavy. What if we move to a new house?
Don't worry, the store will deliver it.
Okay, but do we really need a new bed now?
Come on, our old bed is very bad. I can't sleep well on it.
But you sleep in the afternoon every day.
Yes, but the bed is bad too.
Oh, really?
Yes, if I keep sleeping on our bed, my back will start to hurt.
Let me think. I want to look at other beds first.
But what if another person buys this one?
Honey, the price isn't that special.
Fine.
Hello, Jenny. Why the sad face? Did you shop on Black Friday?
Yes, I did. I was very happy.
That's great. But why are you sad now?
Because I have no money now. I spent it all on Black Friday.
Oh no, what will you do now?
I have no money for food. I need to save money.
But that is not good for you. It's very bad.
I know, but what can I do?
Next time, try not to buy so much, even if it's on sale.
Okay, you are right.
Do you want to help me in the garden?
Yes, I'm ready, but I am not good with plants.
Don't worry, plants are strong.
If the plants die, is it the weather's fault?
That's a funny idea. Let's plant tomatoes first. They are very easy.
How easy.
Just make a small hole. Put the seed in and cover it with soil.
Okay, that sounds easy.
We'll have the best tomatoes in town.
If they grow, well, water them and make us some tomato soup.
Okay, but not too much water.
Cool.
Excuse me.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for toothpaste. Where is it?
The toothpaste is in aisle 3. Come with me, I can show you. Here is the toothpaste.
Great, thank you.
Anything else?
Yes. Do you have Colgate?
Yes, we do. It's right here. Here you go.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.